Let's have a look at how to upscale an image on Ideogram. First of all, please be aware that you need at least a basic plan in order to directly upscale images on Ideogram. Now, let us quickly generate some images. After generating your images, simply left-click on the image that you would like to upscale. And then on the right side, click on Upscale. Adjust the resemblance and the detail right here. The standard values here are 100 for the resemblance and 50 for detail. And once you're done doing that, finally click on Upscale. To see your upscale after the generation is done, click on where it says Generation Complete. And there you will find your upscaled image. Click on it to preview it. Looks great, and the resolution is now 2048 by 2048 pixels. So we successfully performed a 2x upscale, because the original resolution of this image was actually 1024 by 1024 pixels. Please note that currently you can only perform 2x upscales on Ideogram. If you would like to further upscale these images, then you would need to use some third-party tools to get the job done. I personally use a tool called TOPAZ AI. I will leave a link in the description of this video in case you're interested. Now, you can also upscale images on Ideogram that you created earlier on. To do that, simply go to your images, find the image that you would like to upscale, click on it, then click on Upscale on the right side, adjust the resemblance and detail fader if needed, and finally click on Upscale. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Ideogram tutorials. Have a good one, bye!